Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change app icon on Slack. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, DMs and Activities on the bottom of your screen, while at the top left corner, you're gonna find the channel's name. Tap on it. Then at the end, you can see three options there: Add a workspace, Preferences and Help. Tap on Preferences. There you can see options like Accessibility, Language, Advanced and finally App Icon. Select that. Then you can see three options there. Select one of those and you're good to go. And guys, that's it. That's how you change app icon on Slack. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.